If you want to manifest a better relationship or rekindle your relationship with your partner, first thing you need to do is take a piece of paper, write your name, and write his name, draw a heart. Now sprinkle it with salt for banishing negativity, and sprinkle it with some chili for passion and love. Now you're gonna wrap this paper towards yourself. This is it. And now we are going to burn it. You can also use a bit of your perfume and let it burn. Your relationship will be better from now. It will be perfect again. Thank you for watching.